Johan, your position, I mean, you lecture widely on this topic and follow you on LinkedIn and some of your writings. Your opening, your background or your position that you're in at the moment and your quick view on AI and ethics in that, with a spin on Africa.
Rod, thank you. Colleagues, delegates, lovely to see you all. Johan Stein, I call myself an AI, a human-centered AI advocate. So I'm not super excited about AI. It's amazing. I'm worried about us. And I'm worried about my son, who is 11, and Greg and Francois, who I also collaborate with, will know I always say I speak as a father before I speak as a technologist, Rod and team. What,
Mm.
especially from an African perspective, will we be left behind? Are we already being left behind? This whole idea of customer experience, but Afrocentric, relevant, ethical, non-biased customer experience is really what I'm focused about. So I lecture, I teach, I train a lot of people, but I just want one day when I put my head down and I go to wherever I'm going to go for my boy to say, Dad and his colleagues did enough to secure an AI future that will benefit us here in Africa.
Yeah, you got me lump in my throat on that one. Thank you so much for sharing that.